What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how to install the ceiling fan. As you see this ceiling fan, we're gonna assemble it and also we're gonna install it right here. So if you're interested, stay with me and watch until to the end. Alrighty, first we need to take the cover off. After we took the cover off, we're gonna see all the wiring. So white, red, black, and brass one, that's a ground. I'm gonna show you the diaphragm. So for us is the dual switch wiring. So it means one switch is work only for light and another switch is only work for the fan. So I'm gonna show you the single switch as well. So our light, it has a one wire is blue, so that one is for light, and the other one is black, that one is for fan power, and the green one is always ground. We connect to the brass one, and the white is neutral. So that's from the light, but from the wire is coming from your ceiling. You have to test it always, because you cannot go by the color. Normally is the same thing, like a white is neutral, red is for the light, and black is for the power. But I recommend you so you always test it, so which wire is hot and which wire is neutral. So don't go with the color, okay? So in another video I will show you how to test the wire, but in this case, so a red is light is we're gonna connect to the blue, green is ground is gonna connect to the brass, and white neutral, and black is the our fan power. So the only difference in a single switch, we only have a one hot wire from power supply, and we're gonna connect the fan and light both in that line. That's the only difference. So this is our fan, as you see, has a blue, white, black, and green wire. So we're gonna show you how to assemble that, and let's do it. First of all, we have to connect the base, so we have to take this 4 screw off, and if you can take 2 of them off and just 2 of them make it loose, and just take this one out, and we're gonna connect this one to the ceiling. So this is all the screw come with the fan. It has a 2 screw and 2 washer. So we're gonna install that. So I just put one here to the box and one over there to the box, and make sure you put the lock washer, so it's gonna be locked, and when the fan move it doesn't fail, you know. And so we're gonna take this pin off. When you took this pin off, we're gonna slide all the wire inside that. So I slide all the wire inside it, and before that you have to put that cover also. So there is a 2 screw here. We take these 2 locker screw off first, because you cannot put that if they are all the way in. So you take it off. So we put everything in the place. As you see, I put the pin back, and I tied the 2 locker screws, so it's not gonna go anywhere. So make sure you'll tie those screws, don't forget about that. And then we're gonna hang it to the hooks. So we're gonna put this here, but make sure 100% sit in the right place, okay? And then here you just, with your finger, you just push this, it's gonna pop out, and you gonna grab the light. This is a light. I'm gonna pass through this wire inside that hole, and then when you pass through that, you're gonna have a thread, so you have to turn that to be tight. So I passed through already the wire, so I'm gonna tie the thread. There you go, it's tied, everything is on the place. So now there is a washer and nut so you don't want your light fall, so you have to put the washer and light on that thread. So I already put it. This is the two wire, white and black, so you just have to connect that to this white and black. You just have to push it in. There you go, I did it. And then so we're gonna go and connect that to the R fan. So you just have to see the pink, it have to be in front of the pink, and that's it. You just put this and tight this screw. I connect all the wire and I put the cover back. Make sure you don't have a power to your to your ceiling, so make sure you turn off the breaker before you do that. So now here we're gonna put all the blade in the place. So there's the washer, the red washer, and the screw. You put the red washer in and you put that on your blade and good to go. So we're gonna install that on the fan. Make sure you destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. This is the only thing I want from you guys. I really appreciate I made this video for you guys, and the like button is free, so do that for me now. I appreciate it. Let's do it. So to install the blade is only 2 screws. You just put the blade in the place and tight that. This screw is that simple. So I'm gonna install all 4 blade. So there you go. I'm sorry, it's 5 blade. This is the last one I'm installing. And then we're gonna put the light, we're gonna put the cover, install the chain and test it. That's it. Make sure you take this washer out first when you wanna put your bulb. Not the bulb, the cover for the bulb. So you have to take that washer and put the washer first and then put this metal cover. So the glass should be between these 2 white washer. There you go. This is the fan is running. You can turn on and turn off it with the chain as well. So make sure subscribe the channel. I will show you how to fix a problem on your home by yourself without paying anyone. I really appreciate like our video for the YouTube algorithm, and see you for the next video.